A wise person once told me that everything is better with a soundtrack. So that got me thinking about how important and how true that actually is. If you're sitting down, you're watching a movie, and you watch that movie with no soundtracks, no music whatsoever, it would probably be a pretty boring movie. But that's not what happens. These Hollywood blockbusters have this booming music to evoke your emotions out of your mind. Now, why is this so important? The reason why it's so important is, guess what? Every single day you're waking up, you're going about your business, you're living your life, and whether you know this or not, unconsciously, there is a soundtrack going on behind the scenes. Now, this soundtrack could be something that is motivating, something that is inspiring, something that is pulling you towards your destiny, your future, the things that you want. Or this soundtrack could be really lazy, really uncertain, you don't know what you want to do, and that's not a good thing. I want you to stop for a second and ask yourself the question, why is a road trip such an amazing road trip? Well, the reason is because of the freaking tunes, the DJ in the front seat. If you've got really crappy road trip tunes, it's not the same, right? It's not the same at all. So what I want you to do right this very second and from this moment onwards is, when you're doing whatever it is you're doing, ask yourself, what is the soundtrack that would make this freaking awesome? What's the soundtrack that I'm playing right now? And if you don't like the soundtrack, then freaking change it. Change it within your own mind. It's all within your imagination, right? This is very, very powerful.